For motion, item number 7.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, the petitioner is praying for pension and retirement benefits. He was employed as work charge labor on fixed pay under the establishment of EEPWD. And he retired after 35 years of service, Lordship.
Can I send so? Learned counsel for the petitioner. The case of the petitioner in brief is that he was appointed as a work charge fixed labor under the establishment of Executive Engineer PWD R&B Noklak Division on 21/6/1986 and released from service with effect from
30th June
30 June 2021. However, despite the service of 35 years rendered by the petitioner, he has been denied the pension and pensionary benefits. Being agreed, the petitioner is before this court. Issue notice to the respondents returnable after 4 weeks. Mr. Mohamchin, Learned Senior Government Advocate
128.
accepts notice on behalf of the state respondent number 128 and Mr. Joshua Shakti.
My lord,
Learned Council accepts notice, Learned Standing Council
my lord.
accepts notice on behalf of respondent
9.
number 9. Stop. Since all the respondents are represented, no formal notice need be issued. Stop. The Learned Council for the petitioner shall however serve the requisite copies of the writ petition to the Learned Council for the respondents within,
today, Lordship.
in the course of the day. Okay.
Lordship.
Obliged, Lord.
For motion, item number 8.
Yes.
I think the counsel for the petitioners is not present today, my lord.
We pass over tomorrow.
If it can be on Monday, my lord.
Okay. None appears for the petitioner. Listed again on What is Monday?
8.
5th, my lord. 5th.
5/8/2025.
Obligement.
Yes.
For motion, item number 9.
Yes, Mr. Longkumar, what is your case?
My lord, the petitioners are before this honorable court seeking for direction for regularization of the service in terms of the office memorandum dated 17/3/2015, my lord.
Mr. And Longkumar, the learned counsel for the petitioner. The petitioner was appointed as a work charge employee under the establishment of the sub-divisional officer within bracket PHED, Jaluki, Division Parent, Nagaland, and was released from service. When were you released?
My lord, the petitioners were
Released
released
when?
in 2018 and 2023.
The petitioners were released, okay, from service on attaining 35 years of age. It is the case of the petitioner that they are all eligible to be considered for regularization in terms of the office memorandum dated 17/3/2015 issued by the government of Nagaland. Stop. However, the case of the petitioner has not been regularized. Stop. Being aggrieved, the petitioner is before this court. Issue notice to the respondents returnable after 4 weeks. Mr. Moore, you accept notice?
Proceed.
Mr. Moore, Jamil Imchin, the learned senior government advocate, accepts notice on behalf of respondent number 1, 2, and 3, and therefore no formal notice may be issued. The learned counsel for the petitioner shall however serve the requisite copies of the writ petition to the learned senior government advocate when? When?
Within 3 days. my lord.
Within a period of 3 days from today. Okay.
For motion, item number 10.
My lord, similar.
Similar.
case. Yes, my lord.
Only thing is that petitioner 17/18
Yes, my lord.
will be retiring in the month.
No,
They have retired. They have retired.
They have retired. Only the establishment is different.
Retiring in-
Yes, the petitioner herein are under the establishment of executive
Who
engineer.
will retire in December 2024?
The respondent-
Petitioner number 18.
Yes, my lord.
Petitioner number 18.
18. Yes, my lord.
So only one remains.
Yes, only one events. My lord, I've given a chart at page number 15.
Okay. That Mr. N. November, the learned counsel for the petitioner. The case of the petitioner in brief is that they are all eligible to be considered for regularization of the service in terms of the office memorandum dated 17/3/2015. The petitioner number 1 to 17 has been released from service on attaining the age of 35 years of service, while the petitioner number 18 will be retiring in the month of December 2024. Stop. Being aggrieved by non-regularization of their service, the petitioners are before this court. Mr. Moimchin, Leonard Senior Government Advocate, accepts notice on behalf of the respondent number 1, 2, 3, and 4. The Learned Counsel for the petitioner shall serve the requisite copies of the writ petition to the Learned Senior Counsel, Learned Senior Government Counsel, when?
Within 3 days.
Within a period of 3 days from today.
For motion, item number 11.
Yes. Where's Mr. Likase?
On Monday, my lord.
Yes, none appears for the petitioner. Listed again on 5/8/2024.
Obliged, my lord.
I think they are not paid their fees.
For admission, item number 1.
May I please, the lordship?
Yes, Mr. Joshua, what is your case?
Lordship, by an order dated 5/7/24, lordship.
Which order?
By an order dated 5/7/2024.
Passed by this court?
Lordship,
Okay, let me just see.
by my lordship,
5/7, yes.
lordship. My lord has passed an order that if no affidavit is filed by respondent number 5, that is a finance commissioner, that cost will be imposed, lordship. However, lordship, I have received the Paraguay's instruction a day before yesterday, that is 31st of July, lordship.
Are you sure that you have received?
Lordship, I have received. This is the copy.
You show him, at least let him be satisfied. Whether it is the Paraguay's command of the respondent number 5?
Yes, your lordship.
Okay, you have escaped this time, huh? Okay. Mr. V. Jamomi, the Learned Government Advocate submits that he has received the Paraguay's instructions from the Finance Department
Lordship.
only recently. He may therefore be allowed to file the counter affidavit within a period of,
1 week, my lord. Lordship. Lordship.
within a period of, okay, 10 days.
One page instruction only, my lord.
But actually, like sometimes pushing the
Lordship.
Paraguay's to the petition, to the department, right? Listed after 10 days.
Lordship.
Listed after 10 days.
Lordship.
Okay, we are giving you 4 days extra.
Lordship.
Listed after 10 days on, when will 10 days expire?
My lord.
On 13,
13, my lord.
on 13/8/2024. It is made clear that if no affidavit is filed on or before the next date fixed, this court shall enforce the order dated 5/7/2022.
My lord. Oblige, your lord.
Yes.
My lord.
For admission, item number 2.
May I please, Lordship?
Yes, please.
Lordship, I've gone through the affidavit filed by the state,
Yes.
and it may not be necessary for me to file reply.
Okay, we noted you are the counsel for the petitioner.
Lordship,
Okay.
so Lordship, it's a simple matter if it can be disposed today.
What is the matter?
It's post regularization, post-retirement regularization for pension benefit only.
Of work charge?
Work charge.
How many years you have been serving?
I have completed 31 years and without any pension benefit.
In a scale of pay?
In a scale of pay.
In a scale of pay? Scale of pay for how many years?
31 years,
You have been appointed with scale of pay right from the beginning.
Lordship. And even the state has also stated in the affidavit that my case is under active consideration. So I'm
Right.
eligible for,
So why don't you give some time? Because this court may make an observation that it has no power to regularize your service. So why don't you give time to the government to at least consider your case
Okay, okay,
if the matter is under consideration? I think that will be the better way out.
Lordship, but now it's already 2 years now. And I've been, say, released without any grants and reliefs. So within a time frame,
Where is your appointment order? Let us see. First appointment order, first appointment order.
page number 13, annexure
Page
1.
13. Page number 13. Page number 13. What is this? This is not an appointment order.
This is service book, Lordship.
Arey
First
bhai,
page of the service book, because the appointment order is not available.
your name is?
Jim H. Jim Im Chonger.
Mister, you were appointed on a fixed pay.
Lordship, I was appointed in scale pay, Lordship.
Where is the scale? I am not seeing it. Selected revised scale of pay.
No, Lordship. See, let me read out here and page number 13. Sri Jim Im Chonger, work charge carpentry helper scale pay. It's written here on the left hand side.
Madam, why don't you trace the appointment order of this petitioner? Because here, though it says that the petitioner is appointed as carpentry helper on a scale of pay, still then on the right-hand column, it shows that his pay is fixed. 378, 382. Rupees 382, then enhanced to rupees 389.
Your Lordship, the entity grant me some time to get.
Yeah,
the
so it
necessary-
is, there is some confusion here. So we give some time to the government to consider.
Okay.
In the meantime, we also direct the government to produce your appointment order. Okay, that'll be more, I think, proper for this court. Heard, Mr., your good name?
H. Makam, Lordship.
So heard Mr. H. Mukam, the learned counsel for the petitioner, and MS AIME, the learned government advocate for the state respondents. Mr. H. Mukam, the learned counsel for the petitioner submits that it will not be necessary for the petitioner to file the affidavit in opposition. Are you really considering?
Yes, Your Lordship, that is what the department had stated. They have put up the proposal.
MSAIME, the learned government advocate submits that she has been informed by the department that the case of the petitioner is under consideration. On the next date fixed, MSAIME, the learned government advocate, shall produce the first appointment order, as well as the subsequent extension order of the petitioner before this court. Listed,
After 3 weeks, Your Lordship.
listed after 3 weeks. It is made clear that if the case of the petitioner has not been considered by the department, by then this case, this court shall proceed with the case on the basis of materials available on the court. So you produce,
Yes, Your Lordship.
either let the government consider his case or you produce the appointment order so that we can.
His case is under consideration, Your Lordship.
Okay, very good. But under consideration cannot be perpetual. Okay, so next day you come with some definite instructions. And if not, you produce the appointment order so that this court can dispose. Okay.
For admission, item number 3.
Yes, Mr. Bijmomi,
Lordship, I'm mentioning on behalf of my colleague, Mosem Longkumar Lordship, for the
Okay.
state respondent,
affidavit not filed.
not filed, Lordship. So if Lordship may please to grant 3 weeks time.
We give them, we grant them time.
Yes, Lordship.
Mr. Bijmomi, learned counsel appears on behalf of
Mosem
Mr.
Longkumar. Mr.
M. Longkumar,
Lordship.
the learned government advocate representing the state, and seeks adjournment of the case for 3 weeks to file affidavit in opposition.
Lordship.
Prayer is allowed. Listed report.
First.
For admission, item number 4.
Yes, ma'am.
Your Lordship, pleadings are completed.
You have filed your reply.
Your Lordship, we will not be filing our reply.
You will not be filing.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Okay, so we record that.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Okay. MS so-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner submits that. It will not be necessary for the petitioner to file affidavit in reply. Stop. Since pleadings are completed, listed for hearing in the usual course.
Your Lordship, if the matter could come up after 3 weeks for hearing.
3 weeks in the usual course, same.
Your Lordship.
Okay. Okay.
Much appreciated.
For orders, item numbers 5 and 6.
Yes, Mr. Bijmomi.
Lordship, this matter has been recently endorsed to me by my colleague, Lordship.
We just wait, have you served the notice, ma'am, on all the respondents?
Yes, Your Lordship.
As per the postal tracking record, the consignment number has shown item delivered. To whom this notice was issued, item delivered on 24/5/2024. To whom? This is in terms of which order? Although notice was issued, respondent number 6. Correct, ma'am?
Yes, Your Lordship. The private
Respondent number
response.
6, yes. Mr. Bijmomi, you are appearing for 1 to 5.
Lordship.
1 to 5.
Lordship, as far as item number 5 is concerned, we are yet to file counter affidavit. However, as far as item number 6 is concerned, the state has filed counter affidavit.
Okay, we give you 3 weeks time.
Lordship.
You file your affidavit.
Lordship.
Okay.
Lordship.
Seen the office note dated 27/6/24. Stop. The notice upon the respondent number 6 is deemed served. Stop. Mr. Bijmomi, the learned government advocate is allowed 3 weeks time to file affidavit in opposition. Listed accordingly. Okay.
Yes, Your Lordship.
3 weeks affidavit in opposition
In item number 5.
in WPC 76
of 2024.
yes /2024. Okay, listed up. Yes, okay.